So now we're going to crank it up to 400 degrees. It's right around 225, give or take a few degrees. We're going to crank it up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then what we're going to do is let it go until it hits 175 degrees in the middle of the chicken wing. So let me get my tongs. We're going to flip these over. We're going to get them to 175 degrees Fahrenheit in the middle.
Down by the Appalachian Ocean where the salt meets the pine.
So we're going to flip them over and then we're going to get them to 175 degrees. Again, we're crisping them up, higher temp. Let me turn my light on. It's kind of dark. And then what I'll do, I'll stick my probe in one of the thicker pieces because I want it to get to 175 degrees Fahrenheit internal. That's the thickest piece right there. I've stuck it in. We're going to launcher temp and the Z-Grill zap, and we're going to get it to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. And once it hits 175 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to remove all of those. We're going to toss them. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Patience. 175 degrees internal temp Fahrenheit. So let's hit that milestone next. So the wings are done at 175. So let's go ahead and take them out of the pellet grill here. Go ahead and turn the pellet grill off. No reason to keep it on. Oh man, these smell great. They look great. Perfect consistency. I can tell by touching it with the tongs. Oh man, look at that. Right out of the pellet grill, perfectly smoked, crispy, and now we're going to toss them in some wing sauce.
There's a lantern over the water and a cooler full of cheer, but I'd trade a whole July weekend for that platter right here. IrixGuy wings, IrixGuy wings, slow smoke fire with a crisp edge ring. IrixGuy wings, hear that crunch when the whole crowd sings. Oh yeah, salt on the skin, smoke in the rain, best little miracle on the bay. IrixGuy wings, I keep coming back for that thing.
Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.